Meteorologist Ray Petelin. Yeah, I like it. It looks good this time of the year.
Yes, we're unveiling it now.
Yeah,
Exactly.
It's not script or anything.
Yeah. It looks good, but how does the forecast look?
Not so nice. Actually, the new uniform should be probably a raincoat. That would be very beneficial to you over the next 24 hours because we have this rain that continues to work through. This is sticking with us tonight. And as you can see here, the oranges, the reds, that tells us it's heavy. And Morgantown along 68 getting some of that heavy rain. That's going to travel up 79, and this heavy rain is going to be lined up along I-70 before we know it, and then on in towards Pittsburgh. So steady, if not heavy rain moving up. That steadier rain along the Parkway up through the North Hills, Cranberry, Mars area, up through Zelienople to Elwood City and Newcastle, even Butler up to Grove City, seeing some of that heavier rain right into Mercer and Greenville. And you can see the raindrops on the lens here as we look across the Allegheny River. It's just a soggy, dreary night here in Pittsburgh. 44 degrees with that rain, a little bit of a wind chill because the winds are out of the east-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Now, not too much with wind here in Pittsburgh, but as you get up into the ridges, you can see an occasional wind gust up to 50 miles per hour. That's why the ridges have a wind advisory till 10 p.m. tonight. 44 Pittsburgh and Waynesburg, 39 Katanning and Indiana. Temperatures up to the north, you can see, are generally in the upper 30s. Clarion, Du Bois there. 43 from Butler to Newcastle, and then those mid-40s extend down through Morgantown. High temperatures over the next several days. They are actually going to fall closer to what we would consider average. So what's average? 36. So we're going to see our temperatures bobble at or just slightly above average over the next several days. 43 degrees is the warmest, and that's early tomorrow before those temperatures start to fall off. And you can see here, regionally, temperatures do warm up, a little bubble of warmer air as it gets closer to 50, Parkersburg to Charleston, but 44 here in Pittsburgh, and then those temperatures cool off a bit into the 30s back to the west, and that's where we're starting to see the precipitation make its transition to snow. And you can see as you get over Lake Michigan there, those snow showers showing up. So Futurecast is going to show that rain trying to move in. That rain is going to try to transition over to snow. That occurs tomorrow afternoon, and once we do make the change over, we're not going to get much in the way of accumulation. An inch or less is expected in Pittsburgh, and that'll be the case up towards Route 422, which would include Katanning, Butler, and Newcastle. A lot of the initial precipitation is going to melt on contact up into the ridges. You could get 1 to 3 inches out of the whole deal. So it's going to be a transitional weekend as we go from rain over to snow. 36 tonight. That rain will be steady. At times it'll come down. Keep the rain gear handy if you're heading out. For tomorrow, you're going to see those temperatures back in the low to mid 40s early, but temperatures will fall continuing through the afternoon. That'll give us the chance for some scattered snow showers during the afternoon, but the more steady snow will be tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. That's where we'll probably pick up a little accumulation, a coating for most places. It's also going to be breezy, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. Next several days, we go from that rain to the snow on Sunday, and then Monday you're looking at those early flurries transitioning to a cloudy setup for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Not the prettiest look there, mid to upper 30s all those days. And then by the time we get to Friday next week, partly cloudy conditions with highs near 40. That's one of the warmer days of next week. It's also the brightest day of next week because another situation looks to be shaping up where the rain and snow come together by the time we get into next weekend as well. And you can track all this with the KDKA weather app. It gives you the interactive radar, hour-by-hour forecasts, and a whole lot more. You just have to search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and in Google Play.